Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Canon R1 with the Canon R5 II and what are the main differences. So the megapixels are better for Canon R5 II. Then the sensor type is the same. The Canon R1 got better ICO range. So you can see right here, it expands to better options. Screen type, image stabilization, less mount, same. Then the electronic viewfinder resolution is better for Canon R1. Then also the continuous shooting speed is Canon R1. You get a 40 FPS electronic, but on the other hand, the video resolution is better for Canon R5 II. Then also you can build in GPS for Canon R1. Weight is better for Canon R5 II. Dimensions also. And that's pretty much it. Now when we're going to look here on the other differences, so R1 got better viewfinder, ICO, LX shutter, the continuous shooting, the battery life, so 700 shots comparing to 620, then the viewfinder resolution, the sensor pixel area, the flash sync port, Ethernet port, illuminated buttons, and main focus sensitivity. And on the other hand, the Mark II got better sensor resolution, better number of focus points, weight, and max video resolution. So thank you very much for watching and hope you're going to have a great day and goodbye.